Hello everyone, I am Wahid Nabizada and I teach coding. Subscribe my channel if you want to learn coding with me. In this lesson we are going to learn about date and time in JavaScript. This tutorial will teach you JavaScript from basic to advanced. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. In this lesson, we are going to learn more about getElementById method that we talked about in previous lesson, and the date object in JavaScript. In the left side you see all the code, and in the right side you see the result. When we click the button, we get the current date and time. Let's see how it works. We have a p tag with ID demo. Now we create a button. Next we have to add an event listener to this button. The event listener is called onClick. We have to write the event listener right here inside the button tag. Then we use the JavaScript method, which is called getElementById, inside the event listener. To use this method we always write document.getElementById and write the ID of the element inside the parentheses. Here it is called demo. Now we say what we want to do with this element, which is called demo. We want to show date and time inside the p tag with the ID of demo. So we write .innerHTML is equal to date. Remember that we always write date with parentheses. And anytime you want to use date in JavaScript you should write like this. So, now our event listener is ready. And we put this event listener into the button. Finally, our button is ready to get the current date and time. And when we click it, we can have current date and time inside the p tag. It was also an example in JavaScript. I hope you understood the usage of JavaScript. Now it's time to give you some useful information about JavaScript. Why we should study JavaScript. JavaScript is one of the 3 languages all web developers must learn. As a web developer you should learn the following languages. Number 1, HTML to define the content of web pages. Number 2, CSS to specify the layout of web pages. And finally, number 3, JavaScript to program the behavior of web pages. JavaScript is free to use for everyone, and you don't have to download anything. JavaScript is already running in your browser on your computer, on your tablet, and on your smartphone. In the next videos, we are going to learn more. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.